Hello everyone, I'm Yash from Ideabox Creations, and today in this video we will take a look at the product grid module of PowerPack Beaver Builder add-on. With this module, you can create impressive product grids on your page for your WooCommerce website and can add impressive features like product slider and quick look. So let's go ahead and see how you can use this module. To use this widget, make sure you have these plugins installed and activated on your website. First is Beaver Builder, the Woopack add-on for Beaver Builder, and the WooCommerce plugin. Once you have these three plugins installed, we can go ahead with our customization. For this, open the page where you want to add the product grid. Now, add a new product grid. Let's start with the layout tab. Here, you can choose the layout for your products. You can go with predefined layouts, or if you want to go with a custom layout, you can do that too by choosing custom from the drop-down list and editing your custom layout using the HTML and CSS editor. Now, for the structure, you can choose how many posts you want to display on your page and the number of columns, spacing and alignments for the same. If you want your items or products to have equal heights, you can do that too using this option. Now coming to the content tab, here you can choose a source of your products. You can go with the main query, or if you want to go with a particular set of products, you can go with custom query. You can customize your custom query. You can choose the order of your products and change the order for criteria. For the product settings, you can choose if you want to display all the products or a specific category of the products. And if you want to filter your products on basis of categories, products, product tags, or authors, you can do that too. For example, if you want to show product categories of only hoodies, clothing, albums, music, and posters, you can do that too by selecting the ones in the match these products categories criteria. Going further, you can change your content settings. You can choose if you want to show product title, price, rating, product rating count, and short description. For the product image, you can choose to show the image and can further choose the size of the image as well. And if you want to enable the image slider, you can do that too. So when the user hovers over the images, the product will start the slider. If you want to show the sales badge, you can do that too. And if you do not want to do that, you can just disable that from here and the sales badge will disappear. Going further, you can customize the button. You can change the button type, quantity input, and the enable variation fields. For the product meta, you can choose if you want to show taxonomy and custom taxonomy label. So let's remove that from here. And for the quick view, you can choose if you want to show the quick view and the custom text and type and a template for the same. Now for the filters, you can add filters at the top of the product grid. So if I enable this, you will see a filters coming at the top of the product grid as we have selected the categories. So you can see all albums, clothing, hoodies, music, and posters as our filters. Let's check the filter settings. Here you can change the taxonomy, type, and all filter label as well. Now for the filter style, you can change the alignment, text color, text hover color, background color, border, border position, width, color, padding, etc. Now for filter typography, you can change the font, style and spacing and text shadow for the same. Now for pagination and ease of navigation, the product guide comes with the pagination options as well. You can choose numbers, scroll, or no pagination for your product grid. Let's go with numbers for this one. You can choose if you want to show the search form and if the products are not found. And if you do not want to show that, you can just hide that. Further, you can customize the colors, border, padding, margin, and typography for your pagination as well. If you want to customize the margins or typography, you can do that too. Now for styling of your product grid, you can change the background color, background hover color, padding for your overall product grid. You can customize the box border, border style, and border hover style. For the content, you can customize the padding. For the sales pass, you can customize the background color, text color, spacing, padding, and border. Further, you can customize the out of stock text as well. So if product goes out of stock, it will display a message out of stock, and you can customize that too. For the quick view hover, you can customize the background color, text color, padding, border. And for the variable table, you can choose a custom style as well. Now once you are done with the styling, let's go ahead to the button customization. Here you can change the structure, colors, border, padding, and typography. Everything is pretty standard here, so just go ahead and make your customization that you want. Once you are done making changes, just click on the save button. And you can go ahead and add other elements to your product grid or your products page. And once you are done making all the customizations, just click on done and publish. Your changes will be live. Let me know what you think of the product grid module of Woopack add-on for Beaver Builder, and if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.